The 100 follows the footwork. You're still on 4 springs. Put your headpiece down, gather the handles, lower the foot bar, and extend your arms and legs straight. Bringing your chest and head up, legs about a few inches off the bar, begin pumping. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 30. In 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 40. Keep pumping. This pumping is circulating the blood through your vital organs, refreshing your body and warming everything up for the workout that's to come. Hug your legs together, centering your body, using your Powerhouse to stabilize your hips. And as you're pumping for your last few, begin inhaling lots of air in and exhale even more air out. As you finish your last one, exhale and squeeze all the air out to return yourself back to home.